We are going to the California Wildlife Center, where I am a transport volunteer. We are going to pick up an owl that has been rehabbed, and we are going to release the owl to the wild once again. Don't do your barn owl screeching. I see you in there. Actually, you can. You can do whatever you want. We are going essentially to USC.
So who would have figured there would be barn owls in downtown LA?
Right? I mean, I guess they're everywhere, but I was not expecting our friend to be going back to downtown. We're going about 3 miles an hour, which is really exciting. This is definitely the glamorous part of transport volunteering, particularly when you're going from the Santa Monica Mountains near Malibu to downtown Los Angeles to set free our adorable friend. About 3 seconds as you just witnessed, but it was beautiful to watch him fly. And it's kind of poetic because we released him under the crescent moon, which is New Beginnings, and also the park where we released him was at the right next to the Natural History Museum of Los Angeles. So it just was perfect. Beautiful big oak trees, and he flew magnificently into the twilight.